Jennifer, and 5 months ago, I spontaneously packed up my life in Vancouver and moved to London. I've had an amazing time seeing the spectacular sights, making new memories, and acquiring the skill of downing many, many pints. Although, I'm not quite there yet. But 5 months later, it's time for me to move out of London. Or is it? The situation is so absolutely dire right now. I have to be out of this flat by tomorrow. I have to leave for the airport at 10 a.m. As some of you guys know, I moved to London at the beginning of March and my 5 months is now up. I was here on like a trial run to see if I really wanted to live here, and I still have some things to figure out. Am I gonna move back? Am I gonna leave forever? We'll contemplate the good times, the bad times, the pros and cons throughout this video, and maybe it'll help me decide. I have so much to pack up. All of my 3 gigantic suitcases that I came with, plus all the stuff that I bought. I tried not to spend any money on stuff that I wouldn't be able to bring back, but inevitably I had to buy stuff because I'm in Europe, baby! I am first going to throw my bed sheets in the wash so that they're clean for the next time that I use them. And then I'm gonna take my suitcase out, I'm gonna shove everything in there, and hopefully we still have time at the end of the day to like appreciate some last hours of London. So let's do it. Do I need this or do I not need this?
No, I think everything in here has to go. For the goggles. Yeah. For
Maybe to go.
To go, but
to see.
But it's the same.
Spot the difference.
To stay. To stay. I ain't never seen you wear this.
This was like my 20th birthday.
You mean 6 years ago?
4? Oh.
That
no. No. Guys, I have gotten these compression packing cubes that are so useful. This is my gigantic puffer jacket that's like, it's like Michelin Man territory. If I had a vacuum sealer, imagine my power. Natalie is currently helping me pack because it might take me like a week on my own. The power of friendship has come to the rescue. Oh my god, it's happening. There we go. Look at that. Catch.
Stupid grammar question.
Yeah?
If I say the Bureau were quick to issue, it's coming up as the Bureau was quick to issue?
The British do it differently. When you're talking about like a group of people, you guys use the plural verb.
Yeah.
But in America, we use the singular verb because it's like an entity. For us, we say the jury is out, but you guys say the jury are out.
You say the jury are out?
You don't really use that phrase.
Even like, I think you guys say like the swim team are going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. I've been able to explore so much more of London as of a couple months in, and I really, really love it, especially in the summer. I wanted to move to London to be in like a big city, to have things to do, to have like cute cafes and restaurants and bars, and just like feel the bustling life of a big city, because that's what I felt like I was missing in Vancouver. I don't know, I'm just acquainted with London, making more friends, finding new things to do. I feel like there's always an infinite possibility of things to do in London. I just feel so lucky that I get to experience this at this point in my life. I love to be outside during the sunset. I don't sit on this balcony quite enough, but I should. My days in London are definitely dwindling down and I'm getting pretty sad about it. I think my recent experiences are definitely pulling me towards moving back, but it is also a big decision. I'm gonna be so far from my family and there are a lot of differences. It's a lot to consider. It is like a big decision. It's been a couple hours later. I haven't really been vlogging because I've been turbo moding, but it's been really helpful to have my friend Natalie here. She's so mother, she's helping me pack because I'm like the worst at packing and I'm like the least efficient packer of all time. This thing all packed. I've got one suitcase already outside that's like completely zipped up. And I actually have so much room in my suitcases. Like look at how empty that is. I have just taken my sheets out of washer dryer. It's still a little bit like wet, so I'm just gonna leave it in the sun to dry. The washer dryers in London are a little bit crazy. Nothing ever really dries properly and it kind of like ruins all my clothes, but you know what? I'm already grateful that we have a washer dryer. And then yeah, I have to do like a deep cleaning, but I think we're gonna take advantage of the last day in London because it's a beautiful day outside. We're gonna go explore, gonna take a walk and then come back and clean. Honestly, like I don't have that much stuff because I only came with 3 suitcases. Everything came furnished, so I'm like, I don't really have to take that much. So I think we're good. Let's have an adventure. On second thought, let me take you through a quick adventure through my past couple weeks. To live in London, and I've always regretted not doing a semester studying abroad when I was in university, and I think I inadvertently was trying to recreate that kind of experience now. I tend to always stress about how old I'm getting and how I regret not doing things when I was younger because I was so sheltered and scared of taking risks, but this stint in London has shown me that it's never too late to go after what you want and experience new things. Everyone's timelines are different. As I neared my final day in London, something still felt incomplete. When I first moved into this flat, I explored the rooftop and saw this building and wondered what the heck it was. I came to find out it's actually a huge stadium called the O2 that you can actually climb to the roof of, and I've never gotten around to doing it. Until now. Climbing to the top and looking out at London from this view felt so surreal. Now being able to recognize familiar buildings gave me a sense of belonging and safety, and noticing unfamiliar places in the horizon left me yearning for the endless possibilities the city still had to offer. Climbing up this building felt like such a full circle moment, like a metaphor for my journey of moving to London, because I finally got to experience the thing I observed in the distance for so long. towards the end of cleaning. The landlord was supposed to show up like 20 minutes ago. She's late. Honestly, thank God for us because we are running late with our cleaning. There's always so much more than I expect, but I need to bolt off to the airport soon, but I can't believe the end of my first London flat is here. I feel so many things, but I don't really have the time to fully feel them. So I'll do a recap in a little bit, but look at this view. It's such a beautiful day, and I feel like it's such a nice send-off to have like lovely weather here. It feels like a happy note to end off on. Sunny in London. Thank you, London, for everything you've given me. Laughter, tears, lessons, and lots of rain. No matter what I do next, I'll always remember the crazy pie and mash meal I had there and wonder, happy how? I am proud of myself for taking this big step in my life that I was so scared to make, and it turned out to be one of the best decisions of my life. So go out there and chase your dreams and take risks. You never know where you'll end up. So long, London. I'll see you sooner than you think.